Your filing cabinet is a graveyard for productivity, and it is finally time to put it to rest. Most of us are drowning in a sea of invoices, receipts, and old contracts that just take up space and gather dust. This new flagship scanner is designed to fix that problem once and for all. It treats a stack of messy paperwork like a professional athlete treats a warm-up. This is not some clunky piece of office plastic that jams the moment you turn your back on it. This machine is built for people who actually have serious work to do. It uses dual sensors to catch every single detail on both sides of the page in a single pass. You can drop a stack of 50 pages into the document feeder, and it will process the entire thing in 60 seconds. Think about that kind of speed. Most people struggle to read a single page in that time. But this machine is not just fast, it is remarkably intelligent. It carries its own dedicated high-end processor right inside the sleek housing. That means it cleans up the images and performs character recognition before the file even touches your computer. It handles the heavy lifting locally, so your laptop does not have to struggle with large files. Most scanners are basically just eyes that need a brain to tell them what to do. This one has the eyes and the brain built into one unit. It is a sophisticated piece of enterprise gear that represents the gold standard for anyone trying to go completely paperless. One of the absolute standout features is the modern wireless integration. We are looking at the fastest wireless standards available today. It links directly to your cloud storage accounts. You do not even need to turn on your PC to get your work done. You can scan straight to your preferred cloud folders while your computer is still tucked away in your bag. For anyone working in a high-volume office or a busy home business, this is a massive win. The minutes you save every day quickly turn into hours over the course of a month. Yes, it comes with a professional price tag. It is definitely more of an investment than those cheap, slow flatbed scanners you see at the local electronics shop. But those entry-level devices are essentially toys compared to this powerhouse. This is a serious tool for serious professionals who value their time. It is built for reliability and consistent performance. If you are tired of searching through folders for that one specific invoice, this is your solution. It turns a mountain of paper into a searchable digital library in a matter of seconds. It marks the definitive end of the filing cabinet era. It is the beginning of a streamlined workflow that actually makes sense for the way we work now. This machine is a legitimate beast for your desk. It is sleek, it is efficient, and it is exactly what high-level document management should feel like. You are getting superior hardware that you can actually trust to do its job every single morning. It is a total game changer for your record keeping. No more lost documents or cluttered surfaces. Just clean, organized files that are ready the moment you need them. It is the ultimate upgrade for anyone who handles a high volume of paperwork and demands the best technology available. This is how you reclaim your office space. This is how you master your workflow. This is the future of the paperless desk.